One of the greatest benefits is to resolve disagreement when it comes to diagnosis of structural heart disease. When we look at things from a two-dimensional point of view, different people can imagine things differently, and we may not always agree with each other, and there's always a truth to my mind. And 3D printing helps us resolve that ambiguity, and when we get to hold a physical model in our hands, we need not use words to describe what we see, and what we get in our hands is what we can expect during surgery. So this is one of the greatest benefits that I've reaped from 3D printing.
When I started using 3D printing to solve this problem a couple of years ago, this truly was a game changer, because now for the first time I was able to not only convince myself but my entire team, my surgeons, as to how we can address complex heart problems. And that has really been the biggest benefit to me, and that's something that really opened my eyes to the potential for the technology. And of course I see the benefits in multiple areas going forwards, including other specialities, and also in several path-breaking procedures in my own specialties like device design, implants, etc.
It means the future, the next stage in what we do on a day-to-day basis, that we no longer just need to count on imaging or description. We can use the physical models as an interim or an intermediary communication between ourselves and the rest of the team members.
I do foresee 3D printing as being increasingly used to solve complex problems and to give patient-specific treatment, especially for complex and more difficult problems. 3D printing is truly going to be a game changer, and as it's impacting the healthcare sector globally.